Howdy, James here from Kicksamami, back to another review. In front of me I have the third iteration of the Jordan 4 A Ma Maniere collaboration, this time in a dark mocha. Another kind of colorway that A Ma Maniere has pulled out that you can't really probably put your fingers on in regards to what the color is. A lot of these images that came out of this mocha one were kind of compared to another Jordan 4 that was more of a GR. People were kind of contemplating, is there really a difference? As more photos came out on foot of people actually taking photos of the actual shoe themselves as opposed to the photos that A Ma Maniere and Nike have been posting, you started to really see a difference in that kind of colorway and that dark mocha. Obviously the mocha kind of colorway, it's been around now for a while, but obviously was probably made famous mostly by Travis Scott and the Jordan 1 that came in that mocha, which was really, really nice. So I'm going to take it out of the box, take a look at it, and we'll see what you think. All right, so here it is. Here is the A Ma Maniere Jordan 4 collaboration in the dark mocha colorway. As you can see, kind of the whole shoe looks like kind of chocolate. Really, really nice kind of color. Comes then with the dark black laces. You do get a second pair of laces in it that are more of a white colorway, which you've kind of seen a lot of people lace swap it to, which kind of matches a little bit more of the midsole on kind of more on the inside. On the outside, the midsole is nearly painted that brown the whole way around, apart from very, very end where you get the airbag. Other than that, but this suede and the craftsmanship on this Jordan 4, just like every other A Ma Maniere, is kind of pretty spectacular. Kind of seeing marks on it from the suede, but it just gives it that vintage feel. A Ma Maniere obviously released the kind of the story behind the shoe. So every time they release a shoe, it's kind of giving it a story, and it's kind of sometimes hard to explain. I don't know if the way that they write those stories are to kind of confuse you. But overall, like, really good, nice looking shoe. Debating on if I'm going to do the lace swap or not. But already kind of seeing marks, scratches. Again, the suede does look very easily marked up, depending how you brush it, but almost like somebody's ran the nails across the top of the shoe. But again, kind of all giving it like a feel that after a couple of wears, you're going to make it feel like your own. So overall, happy with them. This is the second pair of A Ma Maniere 4s I think that I have now. And obviously I have a couple of the 5s, one or two of the 3s. And again, really, really nice. Really like the quilted interior. Some people kind of complain about the slippiness of it. You know, it's not the same as the leather in terms of gripping your foot when you walk, but I've had no issues. So I feel like you can size in your regular Jordan sizing with every other Jordan 4 that you get. But still, I think available for like a really decent price. As we've seen with sneaker prices recently, nothing's really selling out. And if they do sell out, you can only find them on the resale market for pretty decent value. So if you've kind of seen photos online now of the shoe in person, which I think has given it a better look than it did on the photos that A Ma Maniere released, I don't think you have to spend too much. But again, let me know what you think. I will take some on-foot shots, post them on my Instagram account, Kicksamami. So make sure you follow me on there, as well as other socials. And again, please subscribe to my video, and I'll be back again with another review soon.
Changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah, and you ain't see me acting